From the shores of the Mediterranean, Multihull Central takes you for a tour of this late model 2022 Lagoon 50 owner's version, now available for you to own and cruise from exotic Montenegro. With efficient Frigomar air conditioning throughout, 1400 amp hours of lithium batteries, backed up with the 10 kVA Fisher Panda genset, this Lagoon 50 is a comfort palace, ready to cruise the Med with a gas stove, oven, microwave, 2-drawer fridges plus freezer, and wine cooler. This boat is a chef's delight. A Rainman water maker is also fitted to supply endless water. With the TV lift in the saloon, surround sound stereo system, plenty of lounging space, an office area with 4G Wi-Fi included, you have an ideal home away from home. Each cabin has its own privacy door, with the master cabin boasting a massive living area, complete with owner's wardrobe and vanity. There is a large owner's bathroom and a head with electric freshwater flushing toilets in all cabins. There's also a washer dryer installed. Port side you have 3 cabins in total, including a large queen island bed with bathroom, a hidden midship guest cabin, and forward cabin with queen bed and ensuite. In the cockpit you have a spacious outdoor dining table with seating for 8. Plus wet bar and ice maker and barbecue grill. The high-filled 340 rib is mounted on a tender lift hydraulic lowering platform. Up on the foredeck you have another comfortable outdoor lounge with a bowsprit to run a furling code 0, with other sails including such as a spinnaker, furling jib, genoa and square top mainsail. The flybridge features a full B&G electronic suite including a 16-inch chart plotter, radar, anchor chain counter, autopilot, VHF with AIS and electronic throttle controls with a full complement of 2-speed Harken electronic winches. The twin 80 horsepower Yanmar motors have low engine hours and 3-blade folding props, and there's hydraulic steering. The helmsman will never go lonely with a huge reclining lounge with cushions from Sunbrella fabric. All covered by Bimini with 4 350-watt solar panels installed with Victron chargers. For a full inventory on this very comfortable late model Lagoon 50, click here. For more videos on quality pre-owned catamarans, click here.